Hello,
Hello.
welcome to our Drawing Lessons channel. Today, we will be drawing
Cat Noir.
from the cartoon Ladybug.
He helps Ladybug. And he has a magical staff that can become long, very long, reaching up to the sky.
For this, we will need a sketchbook, a pencil, an eraser, and colored pencils or markers. Let's start by drawing his eyes. One eye. And the other eye. He's a super cat, and cats have oval-shaped eyes. Now let's draw his nose. Draw it like this. And let's draw his lips. Like this. He's smiling a little. Well done. Next, let's draw his pupils. His pupils are like a cat's. Cats don't have round pupils, they have oval ones. Draw them like this. See? One pupil. And the other one. And then add some highlights. Now let's outline the frames of his face. And the chin, right here. Moana, pay attention, it should be symmetrical. With same distance. Then connect them like this to form the shape of his face. Now let's draw his mask. His mask is wide and covers part of his nose. First, draw the upper part of the mask. And now repeat after me to draw the lower part of the mask. Great job! It turned out well. Now let's draw his head and his nice hairstyle. To do this, we need to mark the center of his head right here. And from there, draw a semicircle for his head. Now let's start drawing his hair. Make a parting. And draw strands of his hair. Next, let's draw his ears. Look. To do this, we need to draw a shape similar to a triangle here. And another shape here. Let's add some details to his ears. Let's add even more hair. Now let's draw his neck. And let's draw his body. First, we need to draw a triangle shape like a slice of pizza. Now let's draw his waist. And now we can draw his legs. First, let's draw the ground. And let's start drawing the legs. Start with a simple approach. And then add an anatomical shape to the legs. Now let's draw his footwear. Well done! Now I'll finish drawing his legs to make them more realistic. Now let's draw his shoulders. And manly arms. And a fist at the end. Let's draw the other shoulder and arm in the same way. Great job! Now let's add details to his outfit. Put down your pencil and take a black marker to outline our drawing. Now, instead of the marker, take an eraser and remove the extra lines that are left. By the way, look. I want to add some lines to make the hair more realistic. It's time to put away the eraser and take colored markers to color our drawing.
forgot to draw something.
What?
The tail.
Right, he has a tail. Let's draw it. Should we draw it with a pencil or a marker?
With a marker.
Let's do it.
Subscribe to our channel and give us likes,
so you don't miss out on new drawing lessons. Well, shall we show how ours turned out?